In our long history, we have never discovered a better way of life than sharing it together in love in a lasting and responsible way. This arrangement seems to meet our deepest human needs for love and companionship, for someone with whom we can share in an intimate and trusting way all the hopes and joy and dreams of life. But real love, Joseph and Rosa, is something beyond the warmth and glow, or the excitement and romance of being deeply in love. It is caring as much about the welfare and happiness of your marriage partner as about your own. Real love is not total absorption into each other. It is looking outward in the same direction together. Love makes burdens lighter because you divide them. It makes joys more intense because you share them. It makes you stronger.
I, Rosa, take thee, Joseph, to be my husband, knowing in my heart that you will be my constant friend.
My faithful partner and my one true love.
I promise to honor and respect you,
To love you without reservation.
laugh with you and cry with you,
Grow with you in mind and spirit.
and cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
And cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the laws of the Republic of Costa Rica and recognized by the United States, I now have the pleasure of pronouncing you husband and wife. Congratulations. May God bless this union. You may kiss the bride.